Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check how many people viewed your Facebook profile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open up my Facebook application, and if we want to check how many people viewed our Facebook profile, we need to activate professional mode. You can go to your setting and then activate the professional mode, and after you have activated the professional mode, you can go to your profile. You can click on these three lines, and then you can click on professional dashboard. You will get this option after you activate the professional mode. Just go to the section, and then here you can go to the inside. Okay, then you will be able to get information about the reach. So reach is the number of people who saw any content from your page or about your page. Alright guys, and that's all the way to check how many people viewed your Facebook profile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.